Quanxing is a city with profound heritage and infinite vitality, offering great landscape to generations of industrial pioneers. From Zhuji, a location within 200 kilometers from Shanghai, Quanxing Machining Group has reached out to serve the global automotive industry in past 21 years. From concept to realization, the chairman always believes in dedication and persistence. In 2000, Quanxing was founded. From the very beginning, Quanxing has been dedicated to becoming a steering system supplier on research and development, manufacturing, to sales and service of hydraulic and electric steering system. With 21 years of concentration on core business, Quanxing now has become a leading enterprise integrating a strong team of 3,000 staff with a fixed capital of $263 million and a very broad product line to serve all duties of commercial vehicle, passenger vehicle, specialty vehicle, and electric vehicle. There is a journey from walking to running. What has never changed is our passion and belief. Quanxing has built up a strong team with more than 300 engineers and technicians, 30% of them with more than 10 years of development experience, education level covering from undergraduates to PhD, 5 of them are national reputational experts, 15 are senior engineers, and 43 are intermediate engineers. With a complete research and development platform and core engineering team, Quanxing has successfully accomplished 5 key science and technology projects, 2 key provincial industrial innovation projects, 3 provincial innovation products, has drafted Automotive Hydraulic Steering Pump Industrial Standard, New Energy Electric Power Steam Pump Industrial Standard, and has obtained many domestic and international patents. To ensure the highest quality of mass production, Quanxing has equipped with world-class manufacturing equipment and high-precision measurement equipment and built an independent lab for all kinds of performance, environment, reliability, and durability tests. Quanxing has now developed 7 major series of products of hydraulic and electric steering module, steering gear electric oil-free air compressor, variable displacement pump, fuel pump, and gearbox vane pump. Quanxing has been supplying to 128 OE customers around the world like Daimler Trucks, Navistar, Packard, Volvo Trucks, FAW, Fountain, Dongfeng, Sinotruk, Shanxi Automobile, BYD, Yutong, Kinglong, Zhongtong, Yuchai, to name but a few. There is a journey from seeking to brilliance. What has never stopped is the pace of opening up new frontiers. Focused on the auto parts industry, Quanxing has passed system certifications of IATF 16949, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, and has been honored China's steering pump leading enterprise, recognized as manufacturing singles champion by the National Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. With its high-quality products and services, Quanxing has been awarded unanimous recognitions within and beyond the automotive industry. Looking into the future, Quanxing will continue the corporate spirit of innovation, exploration, dedication, and cooperation. Continue to develop the automated, flexible manufacturing systems, devote itself to the research and development of high-technology product series, and expand footprints in Europe, North America, South America, and other countries and regions provide a pleasant journey, restoring feeling of comfort and safety to our customers. Quanxing will operate with a faster pace to realize the vision of becoming the first-class steering system supplier in the world.